Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In one of my previous videos, we revisited the quick details on Super Sukhoi upgrade program and also saw how and when this is going to be done. Just to give a quick definition for Super Sukhoi, the Super Sukhoi fighter will be a standardized 4++ generation Su-35 sort of fighter by upgrading its onboard equipment and armament to cut its cost and also to increase its service life. In order to know more about the armament and the onboard equipment which is going to be changed, you can refer the links in the detail section of this particular video. These Sukhoi Su-30MK fighters have been a vital part of aerial strength and backbone for Indian Air Force, and these fighters, along with the recently inducted Rafale fighter jets, would be looked upon as a strong combo for safeguarding the Indian borders. Since we have already discussed about the main upgrades and the changes which would happen in these Super Sukhoi fighters, we will not be discussing the same again in this video. This video was exclusively made to convey one more important and immediate change which is being looked upon for these Sukhoi fighters. As per the defense sources, it looks like Indian Air Force has decided to equip few of their Sukhoi Su-30MK fighters with two wet hardpoints so that these jets can carry two external drop tanks. So what are these wet hardpoints? A wet hardpoint is a hardpoint which is mainly used in aircrafts to carry external fuel tanks or drop tanks. The additional fuel tanks extends the aircraft's flight range and duration. The drop tanks can be dropped if there is a need to reduce the drag or weight during the flight. These wet hardpoints can also mount weapons similar to the other dry hardpoints in the fighter jets. As of now, Sukhoi Su-30MKI has an internal fuel carrying capacity of 9,640 kilograms, and with these two external fuel tanks, which can carry 1,400 kilograms of additional fuel, the range of these fighters can be increased. The addition of two external drop tanks will obviously enhance the ferry and combat radius of the Sukhoi Su-30MK fighter jets. Not only that, it will also reduce the need for mid-air refueling. So that was a quick update on the Super Sukhoi program which has been in planning for a long time. So let's hope these Sukhoi Su-30MK, which are said to be the backbone for Indian Air Force, are upgraded very soon to Super Sukhoi fighter jets. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.